Hello, good morning. Welcome to the lobby of Abrisa Abida Tower Condominium. So, ayan, kita nyo, napakaluwag. So, if you have your visitors, you can welcome him here or her. So, ang ganda. Napakalawak po and napaka-elegant. Let's go, tingnan natin ang labas. So, Abida Towers is fronting Abrisa Corporate Center or the very famous Abrisa Mall. You have the supermarket there, the Robinson, and of course, the shopping center of Abrisa. So yan, kita nyo, 1, 2, 3. So hindi po nasa baba ang ating parking. So elevated parking po tayo. Ang kagandahan po ng unit na ito is may free parking ka na. I mean, package na natin. 2 studio unit at 1 parking. The price is very affordable. So nasa 9th floor po, that's our Tower 1. Tingnan nyo naman. That's our Tower 1. Here, dyan kami galing kanina. So ano pang hinintay nyo? Grab this opportunity to invest 2 studio unit and 1 parking here at Abrisa Abida Towers. So, ito ho. Yan. Kanina, doon kami galing sa lobby and the parking. Good thing, as I remind you, Abrisa Mall is just a walking distance. And my church dyan, the Redemptorist Church, and another mall, the Victoria Plaza. And ang school, DMSF, San Pedro College, Ateneo. Ano pa hinintay mo? Invest now, not later. And of course, ang bagong open na Landers. I think mga 5 minutes drive from here, nasa Landers ka na. So ano pa hinintay nyo? Kunin nyo na. 9th floor unit. 2 units, I mean. 2 studio at 1 parking. Package na natin. Keep safe. Bye-bye. God bless.